Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to sell items on Warframe Market step by step. Warframe Market is a popular third-party trading platform that allows players to buy and sell items easily without relying only on in-game trade chat. To get started, open your browser and go to Warframe Market. Just type Warframe Market into any browser of your liking and open it. Make sure to sign in with the correct Steam ID. After you have signed in, click on Place Order at the bottom right. From here, you can choose the item and set the price per unit in Platinum. You can also set the quantity, and once done, click on Post. After your listing is live, buyers may contact you in-game through private messages. When this happens, invite the buyer to your dojo or go to Mars and complete the trade at Maru's Bazaar. Also, make sure you have enough daily trades available and that the item is tradable before finalizing the exchange. Keeping your prices competitive and your status online will help you sell items faster on Warframe Market. And that said, it's it. We just learned how to sell items on Warframe Market by creating a sale order, setting prices, and completing trades safely in-game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.